Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex, and today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on July 30th, 2025, just yesterday. This paper introduces a new multi-agent framework that can take a screenshot of a user interface and automatically turn it into front-end code. The paper is titled ScreenCoder, Advancing Visual to Code Generation for Front-End Automation via Modular Multimodal Agents. And, as we'll see, their approach of breaking the problem down into stages really pays off in the final results. Also, the authors share their implementation on GitHub, and it's a very complete package. You'll find all the Python scripts for the entire pipeline, from the UI element detection to the final HTML generation. They've even included instructions and links to a Hugging Face demo, so you can try it out yourself. Alright, so this figure really lays out the whole multi-agent process. It starts with an input, like a screenshot of a YouTube page. The first agent, the grounding agent, uses a vision language model, or VLM, to identify key components, things like the sidebar, header, and main content. A vision language model is an AI that can process both images and text. Next, the planning agent organizes these pieces into a logical, hierarchical layout. Finally, the generation agent writes the code, first with placeholders, and then it maps the actual content back in. Moving on to the results, this table really shows how well that whole process works. It compares ScreenCoder against major models like GPT-4o and Gemini across 5 metrics. These are block match for layout accuracy, text similarity, position alignment, color consistency, and a clip score, which measures overall visual similarity. And you can see the ScreenCoder agentic model, which uses that 3-step pipeline, scores the highest in every single category. It's a really impressive result that validates their modular approach to solving this complex problem. And to give you a more visual sense of that agentic process, this figure walks through a concrete example. It starts with a screenshot. Looks like a YouTube page. The grounding agent first identifies and draws boxes around the main functional areas, like the header and sidebar. Then, the planning agent organizes these pieces into a hierarchical layout tree, which is essentially a blueprint showing how all the page elements are structured and nested. Finally, the generation agent takes that tree structure and writes the clean HTML and CSS code to replicate it. So, in conclusion, ScreenCoder offers a robust and interpretable solution for turning UI designs into code. The key takeaway is how its modular, multi-agent approach not only achieves state-of-the-art results, but also provides a scalable way to generate new data for improving other models. That's it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.